Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. I'm glad that you've joined us on day 9 of getting back to health. So sometimes we eat too many sweet things, sometimes we have too many fizzy things, sometimes we just have things that, we shouldn't really, crisp even. And over this Christmas period, maybe we've indulged a little too much. And so we want to kind of like give our bodies a real kickstart. And one thing that kind of like holds our bodies back sometimes are something known as parasites. And some of you might say, no, I don't have parasites. But sometimes we do because of our diets. We can be prone or open to parasites. So I'm briefly going to say how parasites can impact our health. 1, they can cause pain in our body. 2, they can help us not to sleep better. They can cause our minds to get a little bit foggy, even creating headaches. There's such an array of things that can be caused because of parasites in the body. So what do we need to do to cleanse our body of parasites? There are 2 things that I'm going to recommend to you today. The first is garlic. Everybody pretty much has garlic in their homes. So we're going to make a simple milk tea from garlic. We're going to use plant-based milk or whatever milk that you normally use. I normally use soya milk or oat milk. So you get a cup of the milk and 4 to 5 garlics, just gently crushed. And I would recommend when you crush them, just leave them for a moment, because for about 7 to 10 minutes, because that helps to release the natural antibiotic in them, anicillin, and that's very good for you. And also because garlic is antibacterial or antimicrobial, they also help in fighting off parasites. So you put that into the milk and then you let it gently warm through. I would say you just need to watch. You don't want to bring it to a boil. You just want it to gently simmer for about 10 minutes. Then you turn off the heat, you cover it, leave it for another 10 minutes, and then you pour that and you drink it. I would recommend having that at night time and just before you go to bed, and it with a double whammy because it also aids in a restful night's sleep. The second thing I will recommend is cloves. Cloves are excellent. Again, some of the same properties that garlic has. And with the cloves, you're just going to use the powdered version. Make a tea, pour the water on it. Again, let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Leave it, cover it up, let it kind of like seep through all of those, that natural goodness. And then take the tea 3 times a day. Not only will that get rid of the parasites, that will also act as a preventative measure for parasites coming back. So it's really key. We don't want those kind of things in our bodies because they really do impact our minds, our physical well-being. Sometimes some of the aches and pains we feel that we're having, that is the cause of it. So again, I just want to recommend try either one of those things. Tell me how you get along, and I wish you good health. So thank you for joining me on day 9. Look forward to seeing you on day 10. Take care and God bless. Bye.